Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will be discussing about how to create a lead or opportunity through Odoo 17 website module. Odoo can turn website interaction into opportunities automatically. When a visitor fills out a contact form or submit an inquiry, Odoo can create a new lead or opportunity in your CRM. This saves your time and effort compared to the manually entering lead data. Having website interaction flow directly into your CRM keeps everything organized, and you can see all potential sales at different stages in your pipeline, allowing you for a better sales team management and opportunity prioritization. So let's see how can we manage this in Odoo. So for that, we can just dive into the website module where you can find that we are currently in the website form. And if you want to create a form, you can just click on the edit button where you can search for the form and you can just drag it and place it in the website interface. So this is a dynamic content, which means you can just drag and drop it and place over there. And if you want to make any customization, you can do it. So in order to do the customization, let's want to the customize. And here you can see that upon the submission of this form, we have to create a need or opportunity in different stages. So upon the submission, right? So we can just click on the submit button where we can set the action as to create an opportunity. So we can set different actions such as apply for a job, create a customer, create an opportunity, or just send an email. So here you can see let's apply for a job. Not that in order we are going to create an opportunity. So we have set the action likewise. Now, after saving the changes, you can fill out the details, which means the customer or the visitor can fill out their details. So here, the customer name is Benny, and here you can see that he's just going to fill his mobile number, and we can set everything over here. Afterwards, he's filling his email address, and let's fill the company. So the company is Cybrosys, and here we can just provide the subject. Okay, hinge broken of laptop. So we just need to know how long it will take to repair the laptop. So you can provide a text over here. And afterwards, click on submit. And you can see that a lead or opportunity will be created in the pipeline with different stages. And let's move on to the CRM module to review that. Now let's remove the filter, which is pipeline. And here you can see that the lead is or the opportunity is created over here from the website form. And this also shows the opportunity, and the subject that we have given is populated under the internal notes. And we can also give the customer name over here. So the customer is Benny. So we can just create a customer over here, Benny, and we can just assign this opportunity to Michelle admin. And we can also fill out the other details, and let's save this pipeline. And later on, if you want to just create a new quotation for this, we can create our if you're just clicking on one, you can see that the probability has now just turned into 100%, and we have generated a $500 from this opportunity. And you can see we have made a profitability from this opportunity. So we can conclude that overall, creating opportunity through an Odoo website can help you streamline your sales process, generate more qualified leads, and close more deals. So I hope this video were worth, and if you want Odoo customizations or Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.